Welcome back to the next video on the lighting installation on the spinner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work from front to back and then show you what I've done already on the pods, and then show you a little bit of the preparation that I'll do before the next video. So what I've done is with instructions, it shows you obviously where everything goes and where I show you where to drill the holes, and the Brickstuff instructions show you how to plug everything in. So what I've done over here is on the pods, you'll see with each pod lighting bag you'll get this diffuser plastic. Okay, so use your back end of the inner piece of the pod to trace it off, and basically cut it from this side through, and then just stick it into the where the lights are to diffuse the lights. Okay, then what you want to do is feed your pod strip through the hole that you drill, okay, into this channel, and then stick your double LEDs onto the inside of the loose piece on each one, and then feed your because I'm using the 3.2mm drill bit of the metric set from the Dremel, 3.2mm. Okay, so what happens is your connection fits through the hole. So you just drill it enough to fit through, then feed it through from this side, and then same with through this hole. So basically each pod, you feed it through. What I've done over here is I've glued the LED for the side lights with a little bit of hot glue, and you can glue this on or just stick it on. Okay, I've stuck the diffuser in without gluing it in, so it's loose. And then I've put a little bit of hot glue on the I burnt my finger on the inside of the channel, and you just feed this one your strip through, and just close this up. So keep your connection on the side where the channel is. So you can close up. You can either glue it together or keep it loose, which I've done. Okay, and then your two strip lighting fits into this connection. Splits the connection with the extension wire. Okay, and this will go into the board. So it's pretty simple on this part. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to drill a hole in the front of the where the spotlight goes. I'm going to feed that through, and then I'll do the side lights as well. Okay, so when I come back I'll have that done, and then I'll make a separate video on the top lights, the top spotlight and the light bar. Okay, thanks.